Let's begin your journey. Losing weight can be a challenging journey. But the good news is that you don't need an expensive gym membership or fancy equipment to see results. In fact, some of the most effective weight loss strategies can be implemented right in the comfort of your own home. In this video, we'll uncover 10 powerful weight loss secrets that you can try at home to help you achieve your goals. These secrets are practical, simple, and designed to work in any home environment. So, let's dive in and discover the secrets to successful weight loss. Secret number 1, mindful eating. One of the most crucial aspects of weight loss is adopting a mindful eating approach. Mindful eating involves being fully present and aware of your eating habits, including portion sizes and hunger cues. By slowing down, savoring each bite, and paying attention to how your body feels, you can better control your food intake and make healthier choices. Secret number 2, prioritize protein. Protein is an essential nutrient when it comes to weight loss. Including adequate protein in your meals can help increase satiety, boost your metabolism, and preserve lean muscle mass. Focus on incorporating lean sources of protein, such as chicken, fish, tofu, Greek yogurt, and legumes into your diet. Secret number 3, HIIT workouts at home. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, is a highly effective workout method that can be done right in your living room. HIIT involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief recovery periods. This type of workout elevates your heart rate, burns calories, and boosts your metabolism. There are plenty of HIIT workout videos available online that require little to no equipment. Secret number 4, sleep and weight loss. Quality sleep plays a vital role in weight management. Lack of sleep can disrupt your hormones, increase cravings, and affect your energy levels. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Optimize your sleep environment, and avoid screens before bed to improve your sleep quality. Secret number 5, intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting has gained popularity as an effective weight loss tool. It involves cycling between periods of fasting and eating. There are various fasting protocols to choose from, such as the 16/8 method or alternate day fasting. Consult with a healthcare professional before starting intermittent fasting to ensure it's suitable for you. Secret number 6, hydration and weight loss. Staying hydrated is not only important for overall health but can also aid in weight loss. Drinking enough water helps boost your metabolism, reduces cravings, and improves digestion. Aim to drink at least 8 cups of water per day, and carry a water bottle with you to stay hydrated throughout the day. Secret number 7, home-based strength training. Building strength is crucial for weight loss as it helps increase muscle mass, which in turn boosts your metabolism. You don't need fancy gym equipment to strength train at home. Bodyweight exercises, resistance bands, and dumbbells can provide an effective workout. Focus on exercises that target major muscle groups like squats, lunges, push-ups, and planks. Secret number 8, the power of meal prepping. Meal prepping can be a game changer when it comes to weight loss. It helps you stay on track by having healthy, portion-controlled meals ready to go. Dedicate some time each week to plan your meals, grocery shop, and prepare meals in advance. Invest in reusable meal containers to store and transport your prepped meals easily. Secret number 9, stress management techniques. Stress can hinder weight loss progress, as it often leads to emotional eating and disrupted sleep patterns. Find effective stress management techniques that work for you, such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, yoga, or engaging in hobbies. Incorporate these practices into your daily routine to reduce stress levels and support your weight loss journey. Secret number 10, support and accountability. Having a support system and accountability partners can make a significant difference in your weight loss journey. Connect with like-minded individuals who share similar goals. Join online communities, participate in weight loss challenges, or find a workout buddy to keep each other motivated and celebrate successes together. Conclusion. With these 10 weight loss secrets, you have the power to transform your body and achieve your weight loss goals, right from the comfort of your own home. Remember, everyone's journey is unique, So experiment and find what works best for you. Stay consistent, stay motivated, and embrace the positive changes you're making. You have the power to create a healthier and happier version of yourself. Good luck on your weight loss journey. Stay motivated, stay dedicated, and we'll see you in the next video.